Good morning, students. Myself Kiran Yadav. I am your English teacher of class 4th. So today we are going to read chapter number 1. Topic is wake up. And pages we will do 4 and 5. These are question answer. Okay. So here your questions. Reading is fun. So there are 3 questions. Okay. So please take out your notebook, pencil and eraser and write in it. Let's start. So here your first question is, who are already awake? So answer will be various creatures like the birds, bees, cow, horses, ducks, sheep and the ducks are already awake in this poem. So question number 2, what do you think birds say to each other in the morning? I think birds say good morning to each other. बर्ड्स क्या करते हैं? गुड मॉर्निंग विश करते हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, विच क्रिएचर्स वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग? बिफोर द चाइल्ड डस. सो आंसर विल बी birds, bees, cows, horses, ducks, sheep and chickens wake up in the morning before the child does. We have discussed these 3 questions. Now move to the next. Let's listen. Listen to the songs of birds. Say the words boy and bee. Listen to the bee sound in. So here some words which is the sound of bee. So here is bee say big. What? Big. Bubbles, bin, bag, blue, blow and black. Okay, ये bee sound के word हैं. Listen to the baby chicks. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Okay. Let's listen and talk. So here you have to do it. Go for a morning walk. Listen to the sounds you hear like the rustling of leaves, the wind blowing, the chirping of birds, the sound of footsteps. So you have to go for a morning walk and you have to listen these sounds of leaves, wind, birds and footsteps. Okay. Imagine that a cow, a horse, a duck and a chicken are meeting for a morning meal. What would they say to one another? Talk about it. And you have to talk about these animals. As you know, cow की वॉइस कैसे, काउ की आवाज़ कैसे होती है? मू मू. ओके. So you have to talk about it. Say aloud. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the bit of butter that Betty bought was bitter. So Betty bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better. So it's like a tongue twister game. So you have to recite this again and again. Okay. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the bit of butter that Betty bought was bitter. So Betty bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better. Okay. In your poem, there are some rhyming words. Poem always have a rhyming words. So which words have similar sounds in the poem? These are the rhyming words. So first is day. So in your poem, डे का राइमिंग वर्ड क्या है? डे का राइमिंग वर्ड क्या है? ओके, नाउ देखते हैं. सो हेयर इज डे एंड what is the rhyming word of this? Play. Day, play. Same sound है ना, similar sound है. So here we will write day का day, play. Okay. Next is trees. Trees. You can see trees, bees. Same sound. So here we will write bees. Okay. Now is bed. तो इसका क्या होगा? Head. Sleepy head. तो what we will write? Head. Out, about. Ship का cheap. Again, day, play, trees, bees, bed, head, out, about, ship, cheap. Okay, so these are the rhyming words. Let's write. Connect the pairs of sentence below using and or but. So this is a grammatical question. These are the joining words. And or but. These are joining words. So there are two sentences. First is this and second is this. So there two sentences are given and we have to connect them using and or but. Okay. Before starting this one, I will tell you that when we are connecting two sentences, or when we joining two sentences with and or but, what we have to see? We have to see that whether the action is similar or the opposite in both the sentences. If the action is similar in both the sentences, then we will write and. And if the action is opposite, we will use the word but. So let's start. Okay. First is, it is time to get up for school. I want to sleep for some more time. So here action is opposite. It is time to get up for school, but I want to sleep for some more time. So here we will join the word but. So now the sentence will be, it is time to get up for school, but I want to sleep for some more time. So here the action is opposite. यहाँ पे action अलग हो रहा है फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में और सेकंड सेंटेंस में एक्शन अलग हो रहा है, मतलब सिमिलर नहीं है. वो बोल रहा है कि इट इज़ टाइम टू गेट अप फॉर स्कूल, मतलब स्कूल जाने का समय हो गया है. आई वॉन्ट टू स्लीप फॉर सम मोर टाइम, लेकिन वो क्या करना चाहता है? वो अभी और सोना चाहता है, सोने के लिए उसे और समय चाहिए. तो हेयर जो एक्शन है वो डिफरेंट है, अलग अलग दो एक्शन हो रहे हैं. तो दो एक्शन के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? बट का यूज़ करेंगे. और अगर सेम एक्शन हो रहे हैं तो वी विल यूज़ एंड. सो अगेन Second is Sheila got some chocolates for her birthday. She got some new clothes too. So here the actions are similar. Like Sheila got some chocolates for her birthday and she got some new clothes too. शीला है जो उसके बर्थडे के लिए कुछ चॉकलेट्स लाती है और वो उसके लिए कपड़े भी लाती है. तो यहाँ पे एक्शन है वो सेम हो रहा है, वो उसके लिए चॉकलेट्स भी ला रही है और कपड़े भी ला रही है उसके बर्थडे के लिए. तो हेयर द एक्शंस आर सिमिलर. सो हेयर वी विल ऐड एंड. शीला गॉट सम चॉकलेट्स फॉर हर बर्थडे एंड शी गॉट सम न्यू क्लॉथ्स टू. ओके. Next is everyone has gone to sleep. I want to read my book. So here is also actions are opposite in both the sentences. Okay. Everyone has gone to sleep. सभी सोने के लिए चले गए. सभी everyone is slept. I want to read my book. लेकिन मैं अपनी पुस्तक पढ़ना चाहता हूँ. So here we will join but. Everyone has gone to sleep, but I want to read my book. Okay. Now Raju plays cricket. Raju plays cricket. He also plays hockey. So here are actions. Here actions are similar. Actions is similar in both the sentences. Then we will write and. Yes, Raju plays cricket and he also plays hockey. Same action hai. So here we will join and. Raju plays cricket and he also plays hockey. Okay. So these are the joining words and or but. If the action is similar, in both the sentence, then we will write and if the action is opposite, we will use the word but. Got it? Okay. Fill in the blanks according to the example given below. So here are some words. These are the degrees of the adjectives. These are 3 degrees of adjective. First is positive. Here is positive. Second is comparative and third is superlative. There are 3 degrees of adjective. These degree positive, these are comparative, these are superlative. As here positive, comparative and superlative. Okay. Now so here you should fill in the blanks. Like in the dash I will fill like tiny, tinier, tiny, tinier, tiniest. Now big, here we will write bigger. Okay. So fill in the blanks. Like in the dash I have filled the answer like big, bigger, biggest. Okay. Now sleepy, sleepier. Which superlative degree will come? Yes, sleepiest, sleepiest. Okay. So you have to fill these all the blanks. Okay. I will only tell you oral, so you have to write on self. Okay. So tiny, tinier, tiniest, big, bigger, biggest, sleepy, sleepier, sleepiest, lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Which positive degree will come? Later late